everyone. This is going to be a MAT 170 concept session that will cover evaluating functions by plugging in a constant. So let's go ahead and get started. So first what we'll do is go ahead and just look at this first question. We have function notation here, right? Basically equaling an f of x to a given equation listed here. Then what they want us to do is find the function notation of f of 3. So essentially what this is, just to kind of boil it all down, is if you can notice, this is pretty much the same thing, except instead of an x, we have a 3 there. So what that means is that we have to take every single x value here and replace it with the number 3. We have f of 3 equals 2 times 3 squared plus 5, in parentheses 3 plus 1. And then from there, we just use arithmetic to solve. So we know from PIMDOS that we need to do exponents first. So we have 2, we'll have 2 times 9 plus, we have 15 plus the 1. Now, if we equal all of that out, 18 plus 15 plus 1, which will give us a total of 34. So if we want to write it all the way out, we have f of 3 equals 34. Perfect. Okay. Now to look at the question right over here, it's pretty similar, but we're actually going to be working backwards in a way. If you notice, there's no f of 3 or equivalent of that, right? What we have is an f of x equaling 43, and they're telling us that we need to figure out what x must equal. Basically, what we want to do is find what this like inside parentheses should be for this guy. So it's going to be kind of a similar process, except how we plugged in f of 3 and then plugged in 3 for the x variables. We're going to be plugging in 43 for the f of x up here. We'll just go ahead and do that. So we have 43 equals 10x plus 3 minus 2x. Now from here, what we can do is combine like terms. Because the x variable, they're both raised to a power of 1, what we can do is combine like terms. So since this is a -2 here, what we'll do is subtract -2 and 10. So that'll get us 8. So we have 43 equals 8x plus 3. Can subtract the 3 over here to get 40 equals 8x, and then we can divide by 8. We get x equaling, so to go the extra mile and kind of reinforce function notation, what we can do is actually rewrite this to be f of 5 equals 43, just like what we have over here. So that's kind of function notation in a nutshell, and also plugging in constants to evaluate functions. So hopefully that kind of cleared some things up for you. I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck in the course. Thank you.